Begin with the big breakthrough where the prime accused in the Saif Ali Khan attack case has been arrested in a joint operation by the DCPs. The arrest was made near a metro construction site in Thane, and according to the police, the accused had previously worked at a Mumbai pub and was tracked down at the adjacent site close to the Thane metro construction. In fact, the police officials have also confirmed that this man goes by several aliases, including Vijay Das as well as Mohammad Ilyas. My colleagues Rucha as well as Rakesh are joining us on the broadcast with the details. Rucha, where was he picked up from? What are the details that the police officials have established so far?
Well, the location that Mumbai police have disclosed is that this person, which was hiding his identity earlier as Vijay Das, whose real name is now identified as Mohammad Aliyan. He was taken in custody, arrested from Thane, Thane's Kasar Vadauli area. Now, this area is near Hiranandani estate, and he was said to be hiding in a labor camp nearby. There was a construction work going on of Thane Metro, which is where he was arrested from. Well, now in this investigation, the three different departments came together and performed the joint operation. Mumbai Police's DCP Zone 9, DCP Zone 6, as well as the Kasar Vadauli Police, which comes under Thane Police, together performed this operation, and they managed to arrest this person. He is the prime accused in Saif Ali Khan's attack case. Now he is currently at the detention of Khar police station, and later on in a day he will be taken to Baba hospital for a medical examination. As of now, Mumbai police has managed to arrest the first person in this case. Now it will also be seen whether he was the only person involved in attacking Saif Ali Khan, or there was more to it, whether this was not just about robbery, whether it was just to harm Saif in any way, or whether there were more people connected to this attack. It will also be seen that after attacking Saif Ali Khan, this person Mohammad, where he travelled from, where he went, where some CCTVs have come ahead that we saw that after attacking Saif, he went towards Bandra railway station. After that, he was also captured in Dadar purchasing earphones from a mobile shop. Later on, he was seen roaming around on streets. Now, how he reached Thane and whether he was living there for a long time. One more information that we have is that he was working at Ricky's Bar and Restaurant, which is also located at Hiranandani Estate, where he was arrested from. Now the labor camp where he arrested from and the Ricky's Bar is very close. It will also be seen that whether from how long he was working at Ricky's, and this person is told to be experienced as a housekeeper in pubs and bars, even in Mumbai. So he knew Bandra area, its clubs and the localities here pretty well. How long he was coming here, whether he did the recce of Saif's house before attacking or entering his place, will also be investigated. Now there are different angles to it, and now at 9 a.m. the Mumbai police is going to brief about this, how they have managed to arrest this person and what will be the further directions in this investigation.
Okay, all right. But there are questions